And my God shall supply all your need according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus. Philippians 4 and verse 19.
In the morning, but I need you now. You don't need no other body. You don't need no body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Hey Royals, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another wig installation video. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in partnership with Nadula Hair Company on Amazon. So a bit about this unit. This is their 22-inch P430 water wave highlighted unit in the density of 150%. This is also a 13x4 lace frontal unit. So I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save 10% off of your purchase. So this unit is definitely a vacation must-have unit. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I also dyed the roots a bit darker to my liking, and I'm definitely loving it. It is super gorgeous, and the water wave texture and the highlighted unit is a plus, you guys. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous highlighted unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into this installation process of this highlighted unit from Nadula Hair Company. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company on Amazon. They were gracious enough to send me over their highlighted 22-inch water wave unit. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I also received some goodies as well. I received this cute little makeup brush, a pair of eyelashes, a hair bonnet, and I also received a Velcro hair band. So a bit about this unit. This is their 22-inch water wave P430 highlighted unit in the density of 150%. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig. It has 2 combs on each side, one to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps as well. So I went ahead to bleach the knots on this unit, and I also dyed the roots a bit darker. So let's jump right into the installation process of this gorgeous highlighted unit. So I'm going to be working with Nadula Hair Company again to bring you guys another hair installation video. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is the P430 highlighted water wave unit in the length 22 inches. This is the wig right here, you guys. I went in to dye the roots of this wig. The wig is gorgeous. I love the highlighted color on this unit. It's everything. So I'm going to be doing a quick install. You guys know how I normally install all of my wigs, so I don't want to make this video too repetitive. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off the lace to the back, tint the lace, and jump right into the installation process. I already went ahead to do my ball cap method. So I'm just going to be taking my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to tint the lace on this unit. And after I finish tinting the lace, I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to spray inside of the wig, and over that with my blow dryer.
Some last time. I need to give it all. I got to live.
So today I'm going to be using my Kiss Almighty glue to do this install. I'm applying 2 layers. So once the first layer of glue is blended out and it's dried, I'm going in with a second layer of the glue, and I'm just going to repeat the same process as I did the first time. So after I'm finished cutting off the extra lace to the front, I'm just gonna work on my parting space. So to make sure that the top of my hair is as sleek as possible, I'm going in with my Murray's Australian beeswax in the yellow bottle, and then I'm going to begin to create my baby hair.
Come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Lot of way twists and turns, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned.
So once I'm done finessing my edges, I'm going over with my Got To Be Blast Free spray to set everything together, and over that with my blow dryer just to finish up everything. So to define the curls on this unit, I went in with my VO5 conditioner with some water, and now I'm just going in with my diffuser just to diffuse the curls a bit. So to add a bit of shine and luster to this unit, I'm going in with my ISO Plus in scented coconut. So once the curls on this unit has been defined, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 just to define the parting space of this wig, and I'm going over the top portion with my Fantasia spritz to make sure that the top portion of the wig is as sleek as possible. So that completes the installation process of this 22-inch water wave highlighted P430 unit from Nadula Hair Company. So see you in my next one, and God bless. So you guys, this is the end result of this P430 highlighted unit from Nadula Hair Company. And you guys, like, the color on this unit is bomb and it's giving, like, it's super cute. So a bit about this unit: this is their 13x4 water wave unit in 22 inches, and it's also a 13x4 lace frontal unit. This wig retails for $249.58 on their page on Amazon. So I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save 10% off of your purchase on Amazon. The color is everything, so I decided to do a side part today on this unit. Yeah, they have length from 14 inches up to about 26 or 28 inches, and it's a must-have vacation water wave unit that you need in your wig collection. Like, it is bomb, like, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this installation video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll leave all the information as well as a discount code in my description bar down below so you can save 10% off of your purchase. And until next time, see you in my next one, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do. God bless.